Dear students, today we will start our next group on comments available in review ribbon. So when you make your document, so normally you share your document with others, or you want to add some of the comments at certain places that will guide others, or that might guide you when you look at this document later in your life. So we can add new comments, we can delete, we can move to the next and previous comments, and we can also click on show comments. So let's do the practical, that how it works. So we have the same document, we are on the review ribbon, and we are going into the comments group. So here you can see the new comment. So for example, I have started to write this thing, and I want to say to myself or to someone else, I want to store some of the comments for some of the words over here, like this introduction. So I go into the comments, I put new comment, so it has given me a new screen over here. So here I can write, this is the newest document, for example, and I want to add some comment over here as well. This is next comment. So you can see that those comments are visible over here. So here is a special icon which is telling you that this comment has been added. So this comment has been added. So if we click on show comments, so it will also show you those comments, like here, who has done it. But apparently from the document there is nothing. So if we again click on show comments, so you can see that here are those comments visible, and those are not visible. So now it's better to realize that what is happening with the show comments, right? So we have two comments, and we can move to previous and next comments. For example, I am at the start of the document and go to the next comment. So this is the first comment I have reached. Then I say, okay, I want to move to the next, so it is the next one. I want to move to the previous, so it is the previous one. So I can move in between. And if I want to delete any of the comments, so at the moment here we are, so I have deleted the comment. So let's see, is there any comment? Yes, the second one is available. First one has been deleted because this was being focused at the time when I pressed delete. So new comment, delete, previous, text. So there are different options in delete as well. For example, we can also delete all comments at once. And then there is another thing known as ink comment. So if you click on it, it will give you ink and possibility that you can write with your mouse, or you can ask for the pen as well. So for example, here you can write something which cannot be described in words. So for example, you want to say that this is a special symbol. Suppose this is not available. For example, you want to say that I need this thing. It should be from N to I. And then for example, L 5 by 6. So you have seen that we can put things instantaneously without going into the insert equation or insert symbols. So we have ink available in our hands, and we can write it whatever you want using this ink command. And if you have written anything wrongly, then of course you can select the eraser and you can try to remove this. So yes, so it is a special place where we need to, it should be very focused, then this will work. So it doesn't work like this. So yes. So we have deleted all of the command. So we have learned new command, delete, previous, next, show command, and ink command, pen and eraser. So let's conclude today's module. Today we have learned the command group in review ribbon, and we have discussed that how you can add your commands, you can move to the commands you have added to next and previous, how you can write with your hand using an ink command, and then how can you show your commands in the document. So in the next module, we will be coming back to you in next options available in the review ribbon.